Hello, this is Chris with CricketUsers.com. I actually had no intention of shooting a video tonight. I'm pretty busy with a bunch of other things. The Army is actually going to send me to Miami for a jump here, so I need to get ready for that. But someone told me about a game called Scramble with friends. I don't really play games, but I heard it's pretty popular. The thing is, I guess you can only get it if you're in Canada or somewhere else. I guess it's been out on the iPhone for a while. And yeah, some people are probably going to say, hey, you probably live under a rock or something if you don't know about this game. Well, what can I say? I live under a rock, or I just don't have enough time for that stuff. Unfortunately. I mean, I'd love to just play games all day. Anyways, let's see. If we look over here, I should have the game installed. Scramble free right there. I guess they shorten these names up so that it can fit on the screen. They did the same thing with Words with Friends, I've been told. Anyways, in order to get this, if you're in the United States, you're going to have to download something called Market Unlocker. So this developer made this, and you're going to have root permissions to be able to use this. It's going to modify some system files, and it'll make your device look like it's wherever you choose it to be from. So the first tab or little thing on the menu here is Market, and you get to define your carrier. There's the US carriers that they have. So let's say you want to download some AT&T product. You'd set your carrier to USA, AT&T, and it should come up with apps specific to that, as well as the normal market. A lot of developers aren't going to lock you out because you're on a certain carrier. They're just going to cater to everyone. And those are the countries it seems to support. You could also custom and set the numeric code. This is kind of just a quick list of numeric codes for these carriers. Here's Canada and Rogers. You might have heard about Rogers, a wireless carrier in Canada. So we've configured it for that. We've enabled the locker. You can disable it, change it back to the default pretty easily. See Verizon Wireless restored. Or you can enable it and it'll make it look like your device is a device from Canada, in this instance, on the Rogers network. So if we go to the market, let's see here, or Google Play, I'm sorry, still getting used to that change. Let's see, Scramble with Friends is on my history right there. Boom, you'll see it right there. Scramble with Friends free, installed. It says no connection, but you know where it is. Here it is. Anyways, this is a game. I guess the gameplay goes like this. You have so much time for a round, and you make as many words as possible. They all have to kind of connect. So you just pick the words, and then move on. Let's see. We'll start it up. I had started a game. I tried to convert this over to the playbook, but it didn't work. So I did have a game kind of being held up. I'm going to log in with Facebook. I already approved that while I was on the playbook. I was able to get that far, but when I actually started a game, it would lock up. So it tells you how to do it here. Spell words by dragging your finger over the letter tiles. Words can be spelled upwards, downwards, backwards, diagonally, etc. I guess the only thing is they just have to touch. Touches any corner, it's seems like it's good. Only rule is that each letter must touch the previous letter in the word, and it doesn't skip around. Like log has to be L-O-G. You have to swipe it in that pattern. Boo, B-O-O. You have to swipe it in that the correct direction. You can't just swipe random letters because they form a word if rearranged. Alright, makes sense to me. And you do it before time runs out. Person with the highest score at the end wins. 3 rounds per game. 2 minutes each round. Alright, this is going to be horrible. I've never played this game before, and I don't play these games in general, like I said. You can pick power-ups. I guess you have some coins to do so. Once you get the game, I'm sure you can figure it out. I don't think GAT. I don't think I can do that. Let's see, Gen. That's a word. Let's see. Gold. Keyword. Okay. How about? Why is that? Now has this what comes on here? Well, let's see what else we can do. Let's do real quick. Alright, I'm not gonna do. Alright, this person's probably going to get pretty annoyed because I probably won't play this game again. But that's pretty much how it goes. So if you can't wait for this game, or if you have friends that already have it on the iPhone and you have to have it, I mean, you can try that method. Still, you're bypassing some stuff. It's all up to you. But for more information about applications, Android devices, etc., please visit our forum at cricketusers.com, like our Facebook page at facebook.com/cricketusers, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.